Hi everybody, this is Madison from Accounting Romance, and today I'm going to give you a free tip on creating shortcuts that can make your life, day-to-day life in QuickBooks a whole lot easier. This tip is all about shortcuts. As you can see on the left-hand side, it shows my shortcuts, but then what you don't see is a way to change those. Well, it's kind of tricky, and I'm convinced that a 20-year-old probably set this up, but you have to actually scroll to the bottom to get down to customize shortcuts. And then once you get here, again, I think that a 20-some-year-old probably created this. Not that I'm too much older than a 20-year-old. You actually have to hover over this to either, like this, for example, if you don't want it, you can actually delete this item like this, or you can click and drag the icon like this all the way up to the very top so that it shows wherever you want it to go. And again, what you're doing is you're hovering over this and you're right clicking, and I'm using my finger, so I'm holding my right cursor down, my right click down while I drag that there. And for items that you don't need, you can delete, and or you can add some things by choosing this here and choosing which little picture that you want to add to it and say OK, and then it will add to that, and then when you're done you're going to say OK. So that will change your shortcuts here so that you can actually have what matters most to you. Now what I like to do, the way I actually cheat and do this is I actually will have from my home screen, I always make sure that I have home here. I will do something that I'm looking to do, for example, chart of accounts, and then I will click on view, and I will say add chart of accounts to icon bar, like this, and then that will bring it to over here under my favorites, and then I change it from there. So that's your free tip today on your shortcut menu, and I will see you in the trainings. Thanks.